Wildcard characters can be used in the place of a day, month, or year when running reports or setting up stored reports. The asterisk value indicates the current month, day, or year. Double plus or 01 gets us to the last day or the first day of the month. And minus n or plus n indicates a previous or next month. In CloudSuite Distribution, we can use these wildcards in our reports. For example, assume a sales rep would like a listing of all the orders entered for them in the previous week. We can use OERR, which is our order entry register report. And let's assume we're going to generate this on Friday evening after all transactions have been entered for the week. In my ranges, I can use the enter date range to specify the last 7 days that we want the orders listed. However, I don't want to have to change this every time it runs, so I use the variables in order to accommodate. The way I would enter this is to say I want everything from 7 days prior to today through today. And when this report generates, it will generate and say, okay, everything entered today through everything 7 days prior. I've also got a filter on stage code to leave out the stage 9, which are canceled orders. And we would indicate the sales rep in or out depending on who's receiving the report. Another example is our SMRS, which is our Sales Manager Sales Analysis Report. This report gives us sales details. We can have it summary, detail. We can generate it by customer, product category, sales rep. There's a lot of different options for how to generate this report. Assuming we're running this on the 1st of the month at 3 a.m., this means we would like to see everything in sales for the prior month. Using the invoice date range, I can say everything in sales in the prior month. But rather than having to manually enter the dates, I will use the wildcards. In this case, I will say prior month -1, day 1, through prior month, last day of the month. And when this generates, it will look to the month before and give me everything from the 1st of the month through the last day of the month. ++ is used because the last day can be 30, 31, 28. And the program is also smart enough that if it runs in January, it knows that you want December of the prior year and not December of the current year. So utilizing these wildcards will really help with your stored report setups.